Okay, so I realize that many of you don't want to sit down and watch my videos, and it's the reason why you're missing so much good nuggets, right? Now, I'm just going to make it as short as 60 seconds so that you guys can get it and get it once for all, okay? So I've been a part of the J1 program and I'm now a part of H2b program, so I know a thing or two. So for the J1 program, you pay maybe roughly $1,500 depending on the time you apply, because for me, it's been 3 years now. I've graduated from that aspect of the program. Now I'm on the H2b program. The H2b program is little to no cost. Your employer is the one that's supposed to take care of everything, your visa, your plane fare, everything. The only thing that you may pay is registration, and for some agency they don't charge you registration, so you basically pay nothing, right? Now, if anyone comes to you talking about $2,000, $1,000, they're scammers. And if you want to give somebody your money, give it to me. I'll happily take it.